Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. The Harbor Freight Steam Cleaner is considered a great, affordable option for DIY car interior detailing, especially for general cleaning, sanitizing, and stain removal. The benefits for car interior detailing is effective cleaning and sanitation. The high temperature steam cuts through grease, grime, and dirt while killing bacteria, germs, and allergens on most surfaces. This is particularly useful for steering wheels, dashboards, vents, and consoles where germs accumulate. By killing odor-causing bacteria, the steamer helps eliminate tough smells, including those from pets and smoke, rather than just masking them. It's safe on various surfaces. When used correctly, the low moisture vapor is safe for use on fabric upholstery, carpets, and even leather. It's a chemical-free process. It uses only water, which is ideal for cleaning car interiors where chemical residue could cause fumes in a confined space, and safer for pets. It's good on stain and grime removal. The steam pressure and the heat loosens tough, cooked-on dirt and sticky residue in cup holders, door jambs, and crevices that are difficult to reach with other methods. And it also has a fast drying time compared to shampooing or using a wet extractor. Steam cleaning leaves upholstery and carpets only lightly damp, significantly reducing the drying time and the risk of mold and mildew. And it's a cost-effective tool. For the price of the steamer, are considered a great value that provides professional level results for personal use. This is the Central Machinery Steamer, exclusively sold at Harbor Freight. For the price, I'm gonna say it's about 120, 130 bucks. Shouldn't be any more than 150. And for that price, I mean, this thing gives you professional results. I've been using it for quite some time and I love it. Don't get me wrong, there are other steamers out there that cost less, that cost a lot. But if you're a do-it-yourself kind of guy, or if you're just starting your mobile detailing business, this thing will be perfect. Thanks for watching. Till next time, shouts out to the New Wave. Peace.